Hey folks, this is Ben with Ben's Campers. Today I want to show you guys this cool little project that we finished up today for the customer. This is a 1985 Fleetwood Wilderness camper. It's not for sale, just a neat little hunting rig. This trailer's been here since March. When I bought it, it had some pretty serious water damage, and the customer bought it off of me and decided that we were going to he was going to have me turn it into his off-grid hunting rig dream, which we did. And we did a lot of work to this thing. Again, it had tree limb puncture the roof, so there was a lot of water damage, and did a lot of carpentry. So let's look around this thing. We sealed everything up real nice. We've worked on pretty much everything on this trailer. I mean, undercarriage, electrical, plumbing, you know, we had to go over all that. So it's definitely a wake-up call for me as far as, you know, what getting one of these trailers from 1985 back into 100% service, you know, what that takes. Good learning experience, and real happy with the result here. We deleted the hot water, so that's just a storage hatch door there, and new entrances there for the city water and the fresh fill tank. We got the propane system sorted. We put a new battery on. Yeah, this is just a really great little trailer. You guys know I like to work with little low profile campers like this, so let's go inside. Okay, so inside the nice little hunting rig, the customer had some very nice new upholstery done. It looks like a standard camper, so instead of a two-way faucet for hot and cold, we just have a single pull faucet. Hear the pump running. We do have some water in the fresh tank, and fixed a lot of little hidden water damage issues in this thing. The back corner was the worst, where the bathroom is, or shall I say where the bathroom was. Let's see what's in there now. This is a big gear storage room now. So he's going to have a pole here to hang his clothing, you know, hunting gear, and a portable toilet. And we talked about keeping the regular toilet, RV toilet, in there. He didn't want to. I'm real happy with the way the carpentry in this one turned out. That right there, there's a free 12-volt positive and negative for some kind of accessory, and I put a nice little shelf in there for him. So yeah, this thing's great. It's ready to be picked up by the customer, and he's going out for opening weekend. Without giving out too many details, I think he's got in the realm of $5,000 into this thing total, if you want an idea what a fully sorted camper like this could cost. So appreciate you guys watching as always. I'm real excited about this one and happy for the customer. Please like and subscribe. God bless.